is set up a email forward. So you can go up to Email Manager here and do it. If you don't see widget down here, you can add a widget and then add your email or whatever in this sidebar. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Email forwarders. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. What I want to do is create an email forwarder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an email forwarder. It goes from the name will be test forward. So it might be, let's say you put I don't know, event. Let's put event on this, and it's only a one-time event. You put it on a flyer or a poster, and then you're not going to need it after that event is over. Okay, so I want to send it to you can send it to anywhere. You can redirect it to a Gmail address, or you can redirect it to another email which is associated with your domain name. So I have got an email address called seb@bhaktimarga, so I'm going to redirect it to that, or maybe info. It doesn't really matter. You can just pick whichever one you want. bhaktimarga.ie. So all event at bhaktimarga.ie is now going to get forwarded to that. So let's create that. Done. So that is now set up as a forwarder. So let's just send an email to event at bhaktimarga.ie. Okay. So what I'm going to need to do is use my Gmail, because I don't really want to interfere and use another email on my domain, like my Bhaktimarga email account, because I think it could interfere with the possibilities of a successful redirect. So I'm pretending to be a customer who's seen the poster. So I'm going to send an email address to event at bhaktimarga.ie, and the subject is I want to go to the event or something. Please book me in. Thanks, Steve, or something like that. So this is going to be sent from my Gmail account. So let's just send that and see what happens. Now, if this works correctly, that should get forwarded to seb@bhaktimarga.ie. So that's correct. That mail forwarder is actually set up correctly now and forwarding messages to a second email account. Okay.